Hindi po kami talo. As a matter of fact, we are very much happy because impeachment is happening now. The impeachment trial is happening now. That is the most important part of what happened today. We were able to witness na nangyayari na kung ano ang mandato ng Constitution. And we claim that as a victory for the prosecution because the trial is happening already.
May dagdag ko lang po, masyado po maaga na magsalita ng kung sino nanalo o natalo. This is only the first day of the trial. And this is only the first day of the trial. At yung mga napag-usapan ay mga preliminary matters pa lang. Ang importante at ang panawagan natin sa lahat ay tingnan natin at suriin natin yung ebidensya na mailalatag sa mga darating pa na araw at linggo. Ang paghuhusga natin ng impeachment ay wala naman sa mga incidents na yon, kung hindi, kung napatunayan ba yung mga paratang na nandyan sa articles of impeachment. At tulad ng napakagandang sinabi ni Chair kanina sa kanyang opening statement, we are ready to prove the allegations of the articles of impeachment. Thank you.
From a legal standpoint lang po, what does the prosecution view as wins in today's trial? Given na yung mga ibang pong motions kanina, medyo hindi siya necessarily favorable sa prosecutor.
We are victorious. Tagumpay ang prosecution. Tagumpay ang taong bayan. Because we have waited for this impeachment trial for so long. And it is happening right now. That alone, we claim victory for what happened today.